In this tutorial, we're going to go over changing your color schemes to match your logo. This is the logo we have here. We're going to try to match this navy blue color. We have it on a white background, so we're going to keep that in mind when we look at our color schemes. Now, any of the ones with the white background here, we're going to want to choose. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to choose this blue color, even though it's slightly off to what we want. And once you click it, it's going to generate your new color scheme. Now we can see it's not quite what we want, so I'm going to go back into the color schemes, and I'm going to hit Customize. We're just going to paste our custom hex code from our logo. Now the way you get that hex code is in a graphic editor. You can just use a color picker tool to select the exact color of your logo. We're glad to help you out with that if you don't have a graphic editing program. Now we're just going to replace all the blue colors with our custom hex color and click Generate Custom Theme. Now it might take just a minute to generate the custom theme. Once it finishes up, we'll see that the colors on the website are exactly the same as the color in our logo. There you can see. Now just remember to save. And publish to make your changes live. And that's all for this tutorial.